How to stop ad apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can stop ad apps on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you could have actually set up a very beautiful home screen, and then whenever you download an app from your Play Store, it automatically gets added to your home screen, not just the app drawer but also the home screen. And what happens is that it just really messes with your look and you don't really like it. Well, you just have to stop and tell your Android phone to stop adding new apps to your home screen. Now you can do this normally by long pressing on your home screen, depending upon whichever Android phone you're using. In my case, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy. If you're using Google Pixel, Realme, Redmi, Vivo or something like that, long press on your home screen on an empty space and then you'll find the settings icon. So just go to settings, and right over here you'll find all these sorts of options, and here you'll find a toggle that says add new apps to home screen. All you have to do is make sure that this toggle is turned off, because what happens is that when this toggle is turned on, if you download any app, they will automatically also get added to your home screen shortcuts. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.